Alright, I'm going to do a video on my brand new crossbow I got. This is just an unboxing video. I bought it at Bass Pro. It's a Barnett crossbow. This was $249 at Bass Pro. And it is a compound bow, of course. It comes with a Barnett 4x32 scope, and it's built to hunt, and that just talks about arrows and the features. It shoots. You can get a trigger upgrade, it looks like, and it's a single bolt assembly. You just put in this bolt here, but since I bought it from Bass Pro, it was already assembled, and shoots 330 feet per second. And looking over it, I've not shot it yet, but you do have a rail here, and it comes with a quiver. There's the quiver. It just hooks on, slides on, and turns on like that. And you can adjust that up and down the rail. You might be able to mount a bipod to that rail as well. It comes with the strap hook-ons already on it. And it's a good little compound bow. It's a good compound crossbow, and the butt stock back here is adjustable. You could put a crank on this bow. It's designed so you could take that out and put a cranking tool already on it. And the safety is on both sides, so you could shut it off right or left-handed. And of course your arrows go here, and then it also comes with a caulking device as well that I'll go over in the next video I do on this. I'm gonna be sighting it in and all that. Alright, the arrows that came with my crossbow, I got 2 that came with it. And this is a package of 5 I bought at Bass Pro. It's the Barnett Headhunters. But it comes with 5 arrows with the long fletchings like these. And this one is the 415 grain 20-inch shaft, and it's a 5-pack. So, knowing me, how I tend to lose arrows a lot, I went ahead and bought this pack. There's what all it says about it right there. And it includes the 100 grain field tips. Now, if you're using a 125 grain broadhead, you'll need to use 125 grain practice tips when you sight your bow in. So, alright, I'm probably gonna get everything situated here, and it's a good little setup. I mean, I like it. There was a couple times this year where I wish I could get a little more power than what I could draw back on a regular compound bow. This is going to be an awesome setup for this fall. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.